Hi, I'm Dave Poirier with Miller Electric. I'm the Automation Account Manager. Today, we're going to talk about OptiDrive. The perception of the marketplace when welding aluminum is you need to use a push-pull system for soft wires. Downtime and cost. With downtime, you can have excessive burn nesting, crater cracks, excessive burn through, and with cost, you can have expensive torch repair. The OptiDrive is a flexible weld system capable of welding aluminum, stainless steel, and steel. We use a proven auto continuum with auto continuum coolant, coupled with a 4-drive-roll push-pull feeding system, using proven AccuPulse waveform to do the welding. Another feature of the OptiDrive system is a dedicated line from the back of the gun directly to the gas diffuser. Costly shielding gas has zero opportunity to escape. Another key feature is the retract start function. As you see in the video, to the left, the wire feeds down, touches, retracts, starts the weld. As you see up in the upper right-hand corner, that's a conventional start. You can see how explosive it is. Also, simple integration with all robot brands. We can communicate Ethernet IP, DeviceNet, and analog. Power sports, the automotive industry, farm equipment, office furniture, and general industry. For more on the OptiDrive system, you can contact myself, information below, or your local DM. I'm Dave Poirier with Miller Electric. Thanks for watching.